How to fix Xbox slow internet speed. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is restart your network hardware. You need to power cycle your router or modem, unplug it for about 30 seconds least, and then plug back in. Restart your Xbox console and also ensure a stable connection. After doing that, you can switch to a wired Ethernet instead of using your regular, the wireless Wi-Fi. So like I said, connect to Ethernet cable. It could be on your console or router, then decrease the latency and jitter, and then higher bandwidth. That, like I said, it would be higher bandwidth than a regular Wi-Fi. And thirdly, optimize your network congestion, right? So for that, reduce the bandwidth uses on other devices and prioritize only your Xbox and limit streaming and downloads elsewhere, and use network priority settings, QoS, on a router. So after doing that, configure your custom DNS settings. What you can do is enter your custom DNS address like your Google or Cloudflare DNS, and you can also manual DNS settings in Xbox network settings, which actually improves the resolution times. So after doing that, you can now test and update your console firmware. For that, you can check for the latest Xbox system update, apply updates to console, and then update in network drivers or firmware. So after doing that, you can change the port forwarding and NAT. Set up your port forwarding to Xbox Live ports and change to open NAT type. This will actually reduce the packet loss and improve connectivity. So this is exactly how you'll be able to fix Xbox slow internet speed. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video, and that will be it for this video.